Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our second chapter more on Windows 7. At the end of the chapter, students will able to know about features of Windows 7, arrow features, file management in Windows 7. Now see, Windows 7 is an operating system for personal computers made by Microsoft. Windows 7 क्या है? एक टाइप का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. Windows 7 is one of the most commonly used operating system software. It is most commonly used operating system software. It is more advanced and robust operating system than any other operating system of Microsoft Corporation. It works as an interface between the computer and the user. It works an interface between the computer and the user. Now see, accessibility in Windows 7 means what? Accessibility in Windows 7 means one option and program that make it easier to see, hear and use your computer. Windows 7 includes accessibility options and programs that make it easier to see, hear and use your computer, including ways to personalize your PC. Magnifier in Windows 7 includes a lens mode. In magnifier in Windows 7 includes a lens mode and full screen mode. On screen keyboard, okay, it will see on screen keyboard. Can be resized to make it easier to see and include text prediction. Now see, magnifier. Magnifier means is a screen magnifier application, okay, for usually people to use when running Microsoft Windows. When the Microsoft Windows will run, it will usually used by the people. Now see, this is the Windows 7 screen, okay, all the applications are there, you can see it. Now see, features of Windows 7. Windows 7 offers many new features over Windows XP. Some usual features of Windows 7 are as follows. Windows XP is an operating system. Windows XP क्या है? एक टाइप का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, प्रोड्यूस बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज ए पार्ट ऑफ विंडोज, प्रोड्यूस बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, libraries make it simple to pull documents, म्यूजिक, पिक्चर्स एक्सेट्रा फ्रॉम वेरियस फोल्डर. वेरियस फोल्डर में से आप क्या कर सकते हैं? डॉक्यूमेंट्स को पुल कर सकते हैं, जैसे म्यूजिक, पिक्चर. ओके, नाउ सी दिस लाइब्रेरीज, music, videos, pictures are there in various types of folders. See this libraries in Windows 7. Now see, Windows Arrow 3D GUI with transparent window to view a thumbnail of programs when pointed on taskbar. Windows Arrow is a design in language. Introduced the Windows Vista operating system. Also it is introduced the Windows Vista operating system. Now see, Windows Defender and Firewall. Windows Defender and Firewall. Advanced anti-spyware and two-way firewall have been incorporated within the Windows 7 operating system. Now see, Windows Defender and Firewall is a component of Microsoft Windows. ये क्या है? Is a component of Microsoft Windows. And anti-spyware means what? Is a type of software. Anti-spyware means what? It is a type of software that is designed to detect and remove unwanted spyware programs. जो भी कुछ अनवांटेड प्रोग्राम्स है उसे रिमूव करने के लिए उसकी क्या होती है? हेल्प होती है. नाउ सी, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर. इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर 8 is an improved web browser which is much secure and comes with a tabbed interface. Okay, Internet Explorer is a series of graphical web browser. Internet Explorer क्या है? Is a series of graphical web browser developed by Microsoft. इसे भी किसने डेवलप किया है? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने. And also line of operating system. Also a line of operating system. Now see here, this is a Windows arrow, it looks like this. Okay, now see jump list. With jump list we can quickly find files on which we have recently worked. What? Jump list? With jump list we can quickly find files on which we have recently worked. Jump list means the jump list is a new feature of Windows 7. Jump list क्या है? एक न्यू फीचर है Windows 7 का, that provides you quick access to the recently and frequently accessed items such as file, folders and programs, etc. It shows which file you have worked. Now see home group. Make it easier to set up a home network and share files, videos, photos, etc. within our network. Home group. A home group is a group of PC. It is a group of PC. On a home network can be shared. On a home network can be share files and file, video, photos. Okay, you can share the file, videos and photos within our network. Now see taskbar. Improvements of taskbar in Windows 7 make it simple to rearrange icons on the taskbar. Taskbar is a horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Where taskbar is present on the is a horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. डेस्कटॉप के बॉटम पे क्या है, क्या प्रेजेंट होता है, टास्क बार. ओके, नाउ सी एस ऑफ एक्सेस सेंटर. एस ऑफ एक्सेस सेंटर. The ACE of Access Center provides a convenient centralized place to locate accessibility setting and programs to make your computer easier to use. The ACE of Access Center includes following features. Okay, now see this is the ACE of Access Center. Okay, now see here, quick access to common tool. Quick access to common tool. Get recommendation to make your computer easier to use. It will get recommendation to make your computer easier to use. Now see, ACE of Access Center means utility manager is a component of Windows operating system. This has many tools. This is a many tools in that to help you change your computer setting. कंप्यूटर सेटिंग चेंज करने के लिए क्या किया, इसका यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, आपको अगर आपके कंप्यूटर की सेटिंग चेंज करना हो तो आप इससे कर सकते हो. एक नाउ से एक्सप्लोर ऑल सेटिंग बाय कैटेगरी. एक्सप्लोर ऑल सेटिंग बाय कैटेगरी. If you want to change your computer setting, you can change from this. Okay, ACE of Access Center. From this you can change your computer setting. Now see here, magnifier. Magnifier enlarge portion of the screen, making it easier to view text and images and see the whole screen more easily. Magnifier in Windows 7 now includes full screen mode. Now includes its full screen mode, lens mode and dock mode. The magnification quality is improved and you can set the magnification level up to 16 times the original size. 16 times to original size. Magnifier means what? It is a screen magnifier application. It is a screen magnifier application intended for usually people to use when running Microsoft Windows. When the Microsoft Windows is running, you can use. Now see, on screen keyboard. On screen keyboard. On screen keyboard displays a visual keyboard with all the standard keys. These are the all the standard keys. Instead of relying to type and enter data on a keyboard, you can use on screen keyboard to select keys using the mouse. माउस के हेल्प से आप ये कीबोर्ड को यूज़ कर सकते हो. ऑन स्क्रीन, स्क्रीन पे क्या कर सकते हो आप, ये कीबोर्ड का यूज़ कर सकते हो माउस के हेल्प से. On-screen keyboard also include text prediction in many languages. When text prediction is enabled, as we type, on-screen displays a list of words that you might be typing. जो भी आप टाइप करेंगे वो क्या हो जाएगा, इस पे डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. ओके. On-screen keyboard means a virtual keyboard is a software component. It is a software component that allows the input of character and without the need of physical keys. Without the need of physical keys आप क्या कर सकते हो, ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड ये यूज़ कर सकते हो माउस के सहायता से. नाउ सी स्पीच recognition. Speech recognition in Windows 7 allows you to command your PC with your voice, including the capability to detect into any application. You can easily detect documents and mails and serve the web by saying what you see. Now see, speech recognition means is an subfield of computer science. Speech recognition क्या है, इस सबफील्ड है कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड दैट डेवलप्स मेथड एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. इससे क्या होते हैं, मेथड एंड टेक्नोलॉजी क्या होते हैं, डेवलप होते हैं. ओके. नाउ सी विंडोज टच. Using a keyboard and mouse is not always the easiest way to do things. Okay, using a keyboard and mouse is not always the easiest way to do things. With Windows 7, if you got a touch screen monitor, you can just touch your computer screen for a more direct and natural way to work. Windows Touch is a feature of Windows 7. Windows Touch क्या है, एक टाइप का क्या है, फीचर है Windows 7 का. Is an operating system that enables uses without a touch screen. That enables uses a without a touch screen. Now see arrow features. Windows 7 uses a group of features called Windows Arrow. Arrow is a visual desktop experience that combines transparent windows, appealing color and graphic effects with convenient functionality. Arrow includes snap, peek, shake and flip. Arrow में क्या क्या include है, snap, peek, shake and flip. Arrow features means Windows Arrow is a GUI first introduced with Windows Vista. And it includes snap, peek, shake and flip. Okay, now see snap. First of all we will see snap. Snap allows you to resize open windows to make reviewing and comparing easier. The screenshots below show two windows before and after using the snap feature. Student, what is snap? Snap is a graphics. Okay, snap is a graphic. Snapping allows an object to be easily positioned. Also it can object to be easily positioned. Now see, to use the snap feature do the following. Snap feature यूज़ करने के लिए आपको ये स्टेप यूज़ करना पड़ेगी. नाउ सी स्टेप नंबर 1, प्लेस द माउस एट द टॉप ऑफ द विंडो. प्लेस द माउस एट द टॉप ऑफ द window. Step number 2, drag the mouse to the left or right of the screen. Wait for the transparent window to appear and let go. Step number 3, your window should snap into place. And step number 4, to return to the full view, snap the window to the top of the screen. Now see, this is the snap window. You can look, it is the snap window. Pictures library is there. All types of pictures are shown there. Okay, you are looking in the screen. All types of pictures are shown. Some birds, flowers. Okay, these are shown there. Now see peek. Okay, you can view the open windows on the taskbar by using peek. Simply scroll the mouse over the taskbar icon and a thumbnail preview of the open windows will appear. Peek means what? Peek is an operation on certain abstract data types. Okay, certain option data type. To use the peek feature, do the following. Step number 1, hover the mouse over the windows in peek. Step number 2, the full window will appear on your screen like this. Full window will appear on your screen. This is the peek. Okay, full window will appear. Now click the peek preview to open the window. Click the peek view to open the window. जो भी इधर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है आपने इस पे क्या करना है, क्लिक करना है, काय के लिए, पिक प्रीव्यू ओपन करने के लिए. ओके, नाउ सी हियर शेक. When your desktop is cluttered with open windows, you can use Shake to select a single window and close the rest. Shake is a feature introduced in Windows 7 that allows the user to focus on one open window. Also, it will be focused on one open window. You can see this window. Pictures library is open. Okay. Afterwards, here one game is there. Okay. See here. See this. Now see. Simply shake the window again and the closed windows will appear. Step number 3. Simply shake the window. To use the shake feature, do the following. See step number 1 first of all. Click on the top of the window you want to focus on and shake your mouse. Step number 2. The rest of the windows will disappear. The rest of the windows will disappear. And step number 3. Simply shake the window अगेन एंड द क्लोज विंडोज विल रीअपियर. जो भी आपको विंडो ओपन करना है यहाँ से आप क्या कर सकते हो, ओपन कर सकते हो. नाउ सी हियर all types of pictures are shown here of the nature, birds and flower, and in next picture there is a game. Okay, all, and here two pictures there one images are shown. Now see here flip and flip 3D. Flip and flip 3D, we will see. Flip and flip 3D are two ways by which you can see previews of all your open windows at once. Flip will display preview in a row and flip 3D will display them as a stack. Flip means what? Is a feature that allows you to turn an image horizontal or vertical. Flip काय के लिए यूज किया जाता है, इमेज हॉरिजॉन्टल या वर्टिकल टर्न ऑन करने के लिए. ओके, नाउ सी हियर टू यूज द फ्लिप फीचर डू द फॉलोइंग. स्टेप नंबर 1. प्रेस एंड होल्ड the alternative key, alt key. Okay, step number 2. Then press tab to open file view of your window. This is a flip. Okay, now see here new tab Google Chrome. In this new tab Google Chrome is there. Okay, now see step number 3. While still pressing the alternative key, you can flip through open windows by pressing the tab key. You have to, what you have to do, while still pressing the alternative key, you can flip through open windows by pressing the tab key. Step number 4. Stop on the window you want to open. Stop on the window you want to open. जो विंडो आपको ओपन करनी है वहाँ पे आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, स्टॉप, एंड it will appear on the full screen. It will appear on the full screen. Now see, to use the flip 3D feature. Flip 3D means what? Is a feature of the arrow interface. Flip 3D क्या है? Is a feature of the arrow interface that displays the desktop application as 3D images. It will display the desktop application as 3D images of the current window. जो भी आप current window पे वर्क कर रहे हो वो इमेज कैसे दिखेंगे आपको, 3D. Okay, now see, this is the 3D images at display on the screen. Now see step number 1. Press and hold the Windows key, then press tab for a 3D version of flip. Number 1 step, press and hold the Windows key, then press tab for a 3D version of flip. Step number 2, use the tab key or arrow key to flip through your open windows. Okay, step number 2, what is step number 2? Use the tab key or arrow key to flip through your open windows. This is a flip 3D window. Okay.